BMP-2, short for Bojowa Maszyna Piechoty, is infantry fighting vehicle developed and manufactured by Soviet Union in 1980s. It is direct successor of BMP-1. Design phase of BMP-2 began in 1974. Soviet Army wasn't satisfied with BMP's 2A 28-grom cannon and tasked Soviet engineers of developing a BMP-based vehicle with 2A 42 autocannon. Soviet engineers worked 6 long years to develop BMP-2. In 1980 it was accepted into Soviet service and mass production. The main armament of this monster is the powerful 30mm 2A 42 dual-feed autocannon. It has a cyclic rate of fire of either 200 to 300 rounds per minute or 550 rounds per minute. The effective range is 1.5 kilometers against vehicles and about 2.5 kilometers against soft targets. Another weapon is 7.62mm PKT machine gun, and it is mounted as a coaxial weapon. Additionally, there is a 9P-135 missile launcher mounted on the top of turret, which is able to fire both 9M113 Konkurs and 9M111 Faggot anti-tank missiles. The BMP-2 retains the overall layout of the BMP-1, as roughly the same chassis is used. The main improvements over the BMP-1 are the two-man turret, which now also houses the commander, and the improved armament such as improved night optics, communication equipment and others. Due to the larger turret, the troop capacity is reduced from 8 to 7. The armor was slightly improved, but remains quite similar to the BMP-1. In the BMP-1 and BMP-2, ammunition is stored near or even inside the compartment, which can lead to a catastrophic failure in case of a hull breach. The tracked chassis provides the BMP-2 with a good cross-country performance. A 300 horsepower diesel engine provides a good mobility on road with 65 km per hour and off-road 45 km per hour. With skilled driver, 600 km range is not a problem for BMP-2. The BMP-2 is fully amphibious by raising the trim vane and is propelled in the water by its tracks. In water it can reach up to 7 km per hour. BMP-2 have been produced at rapid rate in several factories. In Soviet Union were made in Kurgan-Mashzavod. They make here BMPs even today. Soviet Union licensed this vehicle to many other countries such as India and Czechoslovakia. Exact production numbers aren't precise, but it is estimated more than 56,000 were made. BMP-2 is very popular infantry fighting vehicle. Because of it, many versions and upgrades were made to original design. The first one was BMP-2 OBR 1984, followed by OBR 1986. Here Soviet engineers made improvements in armor and sights. Following the lessons of Afghan War, Soviet Union developed BMP-2D variant. This upgrade added armor and sacrificing amphibious capability. Next interesting variant is BMP-2K, command variant with 2 radio, one set in rear of the hull and one behind turret. With army modernization effort within Russian Army, engineers developed BMP-2M, often simply called Berezchok. Berezchok has a completely new turret featuring AGS-30 grenade launcher and cornered missiles. Since its introduction, many armies used and still uses BMP-2 in their units. The biggest user of this behemoth is Russia, followed by India and Ukraine. Today we can see BMPs all around the world. They are very reliable and work in almost every biome when fairly maintained.